The Sipi Falls are a series of three pretty waterfalls located in eastern Uganda in the Kapchorwa district, northeast of Mbale town. The falls is situated in foothills of Mountain Elgon on the edge of Mountain Elgon National Park on the border with Kenya. The Sipi River and the Sipi Falls are named after the sap, a native plant on the banks of the river, a medical plant used by locals against measles and flu. The area is characterized by Arabic coffee plantations, banana plantations, rivers, waterfalls, chameleons, and wild vegetation. The traditional African villages and beautiful views of the Karamoja plains. Sipi Falls are situated at an altitude of 1,600 meters. The climate is very enjoyable during the day, making it an ideal place to relax with a book in one of the accommodations with a view of the Sipi waterfall. Sipi Falls is also one of Uganda's most fertile areas, and it's therefore incredibly lush and green, with many flowers and plant species, among which colorful chameleons hide. For travelers who have a little more time to spare and would like to experience the real Uganda, Sipi Falls is a fantastic place in the little visited eastern region of Uganda. It is a perfect place for short Uganda tours or weekend trips from Kampala. You can take a short trip to Sipi Falls to escape the noise and bustle of the Kampala and embrace the tranquility of some of Uganda's most beautiful landscapes. Sipi is also a wonderful stopover for breakdown long Uganda adventures, safaris to the Kidebo National Park, a rugged and isolated wilderness where you can enjoy game drives and guided walks, taking you to incredible big cat sites and massive buffalo heads. Sipi Falls are divided into three falls. There is the 85 meters. The first water plunge is 85 meters over a cliff into a plunge pool below, following the course of the Sipi River as it flows from the top of Mountain Elgon. It gives off a thunderous splash, and it's the second tallest of the three Sipi Falls.
The water is falling down from the 85-meter high waterfall, which is just over there, and it passes underground in between the rocks. It's a natural bridge we are passing through.
There is a trail that goes behind the waterfall halfway up this cliff. Before you climb up, it appears very frightening from the bottom, but it's a safe and a fantastic view with amazing views of the beautiful Karamoja plains, Mountain Elgon slopes, and the waterfall. There is a local shop that sells African crafts, so we have to check it out.
Thanks.
So these shops sells culture stuff.
I'm fine, how are you? Welcome to Access Local. It's a community craft shop. Maybe you can pick a small souvenir for yourself. Souvenir? Yeah, we have some small souvenirs. Oh, this could be good for your room.
Nice.
It's made out of clay.
Mm-hmm.
And some small bags, bracelets.
This woman carrying a baby and some fruits over her head. All right.
with the wood. Huh?
Yeah. With the
After
glass.
sealing with the wood, you put the top the glass.
So they glow.
Yeah, they glow.
These are
They remain glow.
Even these ones.
Yeah, all of them they glow. According they glow according to the color.
So in the dark they will glow.
Yeah, they will glow. They will store light in the darkness.
Okay.
The light they can even flash like this.
Yeah.
And then if you put the light off, they can remain be seeing these parts.
For how long?
Like for hour, 2 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, they can be light
Drop light.
where they can.
But once
be
there
near.
is light still, they glow more.
Yeah, they glow more.
Okay.
Like even if hot sun, if you put where the sun they flash, they glitter also. They shine like the iron sheet, which you show from somewhere far.
Okay.
Yeah. So we sell them in the small pieces.
I
Support
see.
people which they can slice.
Look at that.
So which falls are these?
this is the first Sipi Falls.
No.
Okay, this is the first Sipi Falls.
Yeah.
It's 85 meters high,
Yeah.
and away from the top of the cliff there is, like 2 kilometers away from there is Mount Elgon National Park. So there is a forest away from there. This is the first falls with all the way from the highest peak of Mount Elgon. There is a crater lake, and there are hot springs at the highest peak of Mount Elgon. So that's where this water comes from. It doesn't.
My content.
As you can see here, there is a lot of pressure. I can't even put on my hand. As you can see, it's windy. Wow.
Other activities on these falls are there are nature walks and hikings, rock abseiling, coffee tours, cave explorations, local community village tours, relaxation at the many lodges. Sipi Falls offers several packages for you. So these packages are customized to suit our needs depending on the time and funds you can set aside for the trip. They include the best activities at these falls. Well, the best thing about these falls packages is that you can leave all the stressful things for them to manage while you just prepare yourself. If you let them take care of you, like transportations, accommodations and meals, leaving with you nothing to worry about. These falls are also serviced by half a dozen of resorts and Uganda safari lodges that collectively cater to most tastes and budgets. Some of the best places to stay at Sipi include Moses Homestay, Sipi Heritage Lodge, Sipi Heritage Waterfall Cottages, Sipi Falls Lodge, and very many others. Guys, if you enjoy watching my videos, please share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, please. You have to keep clean. You have to put every dirty stuff inside here in the bin, on the trash bin. Look at that. Look at that view. Look at that. This is why Uganda is called the Pearl of Africa. Look at that view. Sipi Falls. Those are broad place. Don't forget to get your ticket. Come visit Sipi Falls, Mbale, Kampala, Uganda. Kapchorwa actually.
Okay guys, Sir Andrew Cohen, the last British governor to Uganda, built a house here, which is just behind me, so that he could have a view of the waterfalls and the vast plains of Karamoja every morning he wakes up.